My name is Mohamed Alam. My ID is 217806555. So for this assignment 4, I'm going to talk about GPS, that is Global Positioning System. It is a system that uses electromagnetic communication in order to pinpoint the exact location of anyone on Earth. The Global Positioning System consists of 24 satellites orbiting the Earth. If you consider this as the Earth, and this is an orbital plane, and in each orbital plane there are 4 satellites. Like this, there are 6 other orbital planes, each consisting of 4 satellites, totaling of 24 satellites. And if we magnify the satellite, we will get structure something similar to this, and it has 2 main components. One is a clock and another is radio transmitter. Each satellite contains a precise clock and a radio transmitter that sends info about this clock. The satellite will continually emit microwaves which will go down to the surface of the Earth, and the microwave contain information about the exact time which they were emitted, and it will be according to the atomic clock. So, what happens after it reaches the Earth? After it reaches the surface of the Earth, like here, we have a receiver that is known as GPS receiver that receives signal from the satellite. The receiver can receive these microwaves that the satellite is sending out, and it can calculate its position by receiving signals from different satellites. So, why do you need a different satellite? So, the receiver uses the D is equals to CT, where T is the time that it decodes. T is the time that it decodes from the microwave. And using that, it uses D is equals to CT, where C is the distance, C is the speed of light, to calculate the distance. So we're able to know the distance between the satellite and the receiver. As a result, we can detect our position. But we get a varying position instead, like the distance from this to this gives a position in the range of this. In order to pinpoint the exact location, we need 3 or more satellites to give our precise location. As it narrows down the location to calculate the exact position, which is known as trilateration. It is a mathematical method by which the receiver is able to pinpoint the exact location. And we have 24 satellites in order to achieve this, and at any point on the Earth's surface, there are at least 3 satellites. So, as a result, there is no problem about getting locations from different points. So, this is the basic principle of how the GPS tracks our location and able to give the correct location.